let's make a little card. I love you almost as much as I love coffee. And the circuit's going to be right on the back of this image, and we're just going to light up this center piece. Let's get a red light to go with that heart. And the first thing I'm going to do is check and make sure that the light works. It has a long leg and a short leg. I'm going to put the long leg on the positive side, the front of the battery. It works, so we should be good to go. I also need to put a little tape donut on the back of the battery. That's how we're going to connect that to our circuit. Little tape donut there. And then how am I going to do the circuit? Well, I need to have a little switch that helps it turn on and off when I press the button. So I make a little fold in some paper, just like this. And that'll be on one part here, and that will also hold the battery. So I go ahead and put a little glue there to attach my switch. There we go. And then I need to add my copper tape, and I'll need 2 pieces. One is going to fold over the switch. And this is going to connect to the top of my battery, so I'm going to label that positive, and that is the long leg of the light. And then the other side is going to connect to the bottom. That's the negative side, so that's the short leg of my light. Will connect to that part. And I go ahead and remove the backing. This one I'm going to have to make a corner, so I pull the copper tape in the opposite direction, and then I fold it back this way, just like that. And the short leg is going to go towards that upper piece of copper tape, so I just open it like this, like it's doing the splits, put it right there, and I'm going to tape it down right here. And I want my light to go through the front of my card for this design. I'm gonna tape it down, really press it in there to make sure it's really connected. And I'm gonna attach my battery using that tape donut right here. And it works. So I'll put it on the front of my card. It will light up when I press on the switch. You can add a power button there if you like. And then you open it up and we have our little message, close, light it up.